want to look fantastic. It's a beauty box. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. I've got a Look Fantastic box. If you like beauty unboxings or subscription clothing boxes, or you like to be entertained, you like funny, you like makeup, skincare, this is the channel for you. Be sure and take just a moment to subscribe because you won't want to miss a minute. There is a backstory to this, and I'm gonna spill the tea. Over Christmas, they had an advent calendar that was filled with beauty, and I desperately wanted it, and I had Christmas money, but I kept talking myself out of it, and I'd go back and look at it and covet it and talk myself out of it. So finally, I went back. It was sold out. Couldn't get it. But they had these boxes for $1. And I thought, hey, $1, I can try out the box. If I don't like it, I can cancel. So I got it for $1. The website said you had 5 days. That was not advertised anywhere. I had to dig deeper to find that a few days after I subscribed. So I went in and I tried to unsubscribe. And I emailed them and they said I had to keep the 6-month subscription. I even went in and changed my credit card information so that it wouldn't charge my credit card, but somehow it reverted back to the one they had on file. So I've got 6 months of Look Fantastic, and I'll look up the price and put the price for it right here. I mean, so far I've loved everything I've gotten, but I just wasn't ready to commit to 6 months, but I'm committed now. I do love beauty boxes. I'm so obsessed with beauty boxes. Somebody needs to stop me, but please don't. Dr. Pawpaw Soothing Balm, never heard of it. I think Look Fantastic is a UK brand, which for me, that's lovely. I love getting products from other places. That's what I'm so excited about, is that I'm going to see stuff that I've never seen before like this. But it's pretty. Look at how pretty it is. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say, whoa, that is thick. A little bit greasy, but wowzers. No scent. It is completely unscented. Wow. I don't like thick lotion. I'm going to pass this on to my daughter, and I think she's going to love it. First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Primer. I've actually heard this is really, really good. I will definitely report back on this if it is indeed so good. Let's see if it smells like coconut, though. Coconut's my favorite scent. A little bit coconutty. I can live with this. I can live with this. Tell me what your favorite scent is. I'm going to try it over here on this hand. Let's get a before and after. Oh, nice smell. Do my lines look any better? Do I look 10 years younger? Swell. It says Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum. I'm going to smell all these for you. Don't worry, I will smell them all for you. That's how much I care about you. Just gonna smell everything. I wished I hadn't. This smells horrible. It's very medicine-y. Renew Serum. I'm worried about this. Putting this on my face. It's for hair. Oh my good grief. Okay, and that's fine for hair. Now I can live with it. All right, I can live with it in my hair. This is banana setting powder, and I've always wanted to try this. I'm excited. I wonder why they call it banana. Do you think it's because it smells like a banana? I must smell it for you. You cannot go to bed tonight without knowing how this powder smells. Unfortunately, no. But wouldn't that have been cool? Anyways, I'm very excited to try this. I actually have heard of it before, and I'm actually really excited. This is the name brand Pop Bands, and these are awesome little ponytails. Just to let you know, you can make these super, super cheap. But I use them in my little curly haired girl's hair, and I personally like them for myself. I mean, obviously I wear my flexi clips constantly. This is my Christmas one. Yep, I'm still in my Christmas flexi. I couldn't find my everyday one. But you know, these are great in a pinch. They're not as perfect as my flexies, but I do like them. And the last thing we have here is a Rose Gold Dust sheet mask. Sheet mask moisturizing. On Friday nights on Instagram, I do sheet masks. I try them out. I take a picture of what it is on with the picture of this. I'm speaking good English today. And then I share, a review for you. So if you like masking or if you're looking for a mask, be sure and follow me on Instagram. And if you mask, let me know. I'm always looking for new masks. Well, that was it. That's actually a pretty good box.
Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And that's pretty good. I mean, I can live with it. I'm not mad that they kept sending it to me. It's just an excuse to get another makeup box. I ain't gonna be mad. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure and subscribe. I've got some great stuff coming up. I'm testing out some mascaras. I'm testing out some skincare. I've got something going on in my neck area that I'm going to share with you soon. You don't want to miss any of that. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you real soon. Bye.